Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't done like an update in like a long while, so today I'm gonna just tell you guys what is going on in Japan right now. So they have lifted the state of emergency, which means that businesses have started to open back up, and yes, some people gonna start going back to work, stuff like that. For me, I was working from home initially, but they have decided that when school reopens, students will be going to school throughout the summer, so we usually get like a 2 to 3 weeks holiday in August. So they're giving us the holiday right now, so I am on my second week of that holiday. I might do a dedicated video about the educational system post coronavirus, but I'm waiting on some more details because as it is now, I don't know when I'm going back to work. Maybe Monday, because today is Tuesday night. I'm gonna cook, by the way. I believe that we might go back to school on Monday, but maybe not the students. I don't know, but I'm waiting on my company to update me so that I can know what is going on. So after they have provided information, I'll share with you guys what is going on. But anyway, so I'm gonna be cooking. I'm cooking yakisoba today, and I've cooked yakisoba like 1,000 times, and I've even recorded a video of me cooking yakisoba on this channel. I'm gonna leave it in the description box below so that you guys can check it out. But I'm gonna be making yakisoba today because it's quick and it's easy, so I'm gonna be recording that as well. Alright guys, I bought this chicken a long time ago, and it has been in my fridge for a while now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna season up the entire chicken, and then I'm gonna just cut the piece that I will be cooking today. I don't eat skin, I don't like skin. I've had these in my fridge for like a long time, and a lot of them they actually started growing. Anyway, so just wash the chicken. This that I'm putting up right here, this is definitely not for the yakisoba, because the yakisoba, the meat has to be very tiny. Ew, fat. This is for the yakisoba. I'm gonna just season this part first, and then I'm gonna do the others, because I don't want to mix up the pieces. I'm gonna be putting all of these in the chicken. Some pepper to this. Of course, I'm not measuring anything, I'm just eyeballing everything. So pepper, black pepper, I'm also gonna be adding some of this pepper, adding garlic salt, I'm gonna add just a little bit of salt, just a little. Mix. add just a little more black pepper. Not thick. Oh, okay, coming out now. I'm gonna add the chicken into this Ziploc bag. I'm gonna go put this in the freezer. I'm gonna just cut these into very, very small pieces. I'm gonna leave this to marinate for about 20 to 30 minutes. I'm gonna use bleach, just a little soap, to just clean these because I'm going to be cutting up the vegetables now, and I don't want to use the raw stuff here. Look at these. The stuff in my fridge, they're going bad. So what I'm gonna do, I think I only need like probably 2 of these to go in the yakisoba. So I'm gonna make some carrot juice with the remaining carrots because like this is ridiculous. I can't be wasting my carrot like this. While the chicken is frying, I'm gonna just go ahead and make the carrot juice. So I cut up carrot and ginger. So let me just put a few ginger and some carrots. Yeah, this should be fine. I'm gonna add just a teaspoon of sugar because I want the sugar to actually blend. No, 2. Okay, one for now, because I want the sugar to actually blend together with everything. Pour the water. This is the largest jar that I have, literally the largest one. So what I'm gonna do is use one of these containers to strain the liquid. More carrots and ginger. And sugar. I'm gonna strain this into this. I'm gonna pour the juice into this bottle because like I said, I don't have any container that's bigger than this. This is the juice that I have so far, but I am going to be stretching this. For my non-Jamaican people watching, this is where you stretch juice. So all the trash I'm gonna be using, and I'm gonna be pouring water on it. So I'm just gonna mix it around, mix. And this time I'm gonna be using my hand to just squeeze. adding sugar. My carrot juice. I'm gonna try and find space in the fridge to put this in there. The chicken has already been cooked, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the carrots and cabbage. Sweet pepper. Pouring the sauce on it. And then I'm gonna cover for a couple minutes. It's finished. Look at the heat coming out of the yakisoba. But this is my dinner. It's like almost 11 p.m. in the night. Alright guys, so I'm about to go eat and then go to sleep because tomorrow I'm going to the beach. Yeah, I'm going to the beach. So I'll catch you guys later.